Here's problem number 3 from the mock test. It says the graph shows how gallons of gas in the tank depends on the miles driven. So you can see on the graph, as the gallons in the tank decreases, the miles driven increases. That makes sense, of course, because as you drive, you use up gas. And it asks us, which statement best describes the meaning of slope? Guys, when I ask you what slope means, my best advice for you is to, well, actually find what the slope is, okay? How are you supposed to know what the slope means if you don't know what it is? And of course, slope is rise over run. So let's plot some points. I saw some of you today doing this, plotting a bunch of points on this line. That's good. But recognize we really only need just 2 points. So I'm just going to use these very first 2 points, and if you can't see that, if it's too small, I'm going to blow this up a little bit. If I look at these 2 points right here, it looks like I'm going down 1 gallon gas, and I'm going over, not 1, but look at the bottom, 25 miles. So what that means is I'm losing, or I'm using 1 gallon of gas for every 25 miles driven. If I look here, the only one that even matches up with that is either C or D. And think about it. Think about what I just said. Is it I'm using 1 gallon of gas every 25? Or am I using 25 gallons of gas for every 1 mile driven? If you know anything about the fuel efficiency of cars, you would know that 25 gallons for 1 mile driven would be just ridiculous. That makes no sense. Really, 1 gallon of gas used every 25 miles driven is exactly what we were looking for, because as we go down 1, we go over 25.